What's up? It's your girl Shayla T and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a toddler learning board. I got some letters and some supplies. Most importantly, most of them from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be putting this together so I can teach my toddler the stuff that he needs to know, okay? Because learning is fun, okay? I got everything. This is the boards that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm just trying to put it together, figure out how I want it to look. And my sister helped me. Hey, sister. This is kind of what I'm working on right now. My husband is over there. He is attempting to fix the hot glue gun. For some reason, the hot glue gun stopped working. My sister came over here and helped me with this, but this is how it's looking like. I took that sparkly paper and I just got these letters and I hot glued them on here. So I was gonna hot glue it on the board, but right now we have to use this glue stick. So far it's kind of been working. I kind of didn't have it centered correctly, but we're just gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna start gluing. Put your hand down.
Hold on.
He do not want to let me.
There's people towards them. Going towards. There's some here. You know. Oh, Helly.
Okay, your hands getting too dirty. We tried. So the baby wasn't cooperating, so I had my daughter. She's gonna do it for us. Oh. V. Oh, don't take V off. It's Paw Patrol. Okay, so I am so excited with how it turned out. Everything turned out better than I thought that I could ever do. So I wanted him to have something where he could see his name. So that's why I put my name as Anthony. And I got Paw Patrol stickers to make it fun because that's his favorite right now. I didn't have room to put the S, so don't judge me. But right now we're learning counting up to 10 and being able to identify numbers up to 10. So yeah, and then I want him to eventually be able to spell out his name and recognize his name. We haven't started that quite yet, but that's something that we'll be doing. So yeah, then we also have our shapes, which also are our colors because I, had color shapes. So we're going to learn shapes and colors. And then of course, ABCs, but not only doing ABCs, also learning the sounds of each each letter. But he is pretty good with this. So, then we got our hands, right and left. And yeah, that's how everything turned out. I'm super, super happy with it. And it's just going to bring a fun way into learning everything. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in. This was so much fun to make. I cannot wait to make other learning things, to make learning fun with my toddler, because even though it's summertime, we still got to learn some stuff. I made this board for like $25. I got most of the items from Dollar Tree. You probably could make it even cheaper. I just was buying like random stuff and had no clear ideas. But you should definitely try this if you haven't already tried this. Thank you for staying tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you could be notification gang. And I am out.
Hey, no, hey.